Now, as we just saw in our previous segment, it is super important to get out into your garden and landscape and scout, whether it's for insects or for disease. The old adage is so true, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So if you can get out there and find what's wrong with your garden early on, there's a better chance that you can protect your fruits, vegetables, and your beautiful aesthetic landscape. As I was walking through our beautiful backyard farmer garden, it's pretty clean, so props to those who are out here managing it. Not a lot of diseases, but I did find one rotty and spotty on this little baby apple tree. Again, this is a very, very common disease in Nebraska, cedar apple rust. And when we look here on the leaves, we have the very, very telltale sign of this disease, which is these bright orange circular pustules that eventually become erumpent and they break out of the plant tissue. And if you rub your finger across the leaf, it'll turn orange. If you are just having some backyard apples, treatment may not be necessary, but if you are in the apple industry and your livelihood depends on the marketing of these apples, you may want to think about a fungicide treatment. And if you're going to do that, there are plenty of options available, but the key is to apply right at blossom. You want to protect those blossoms up through when they put on fruit so that none of those gross orange pustules end up on your fruit. The nice thing about scouting for plant disease in Nebraska, you don't have to worry about stepping on a water moccasin. Here's a great example of what to look for while out scouting your garden. This is what we would call flagging. This plant clearly is infected with a virus. Part of it is not doing as well as the other part. It's stunted and yellow, so it kind of looks like a flag. Hey, check me out. Now, as we discussed in our previous segment, it is always important whenever you're out roguing, doing whatever, fertilizing, watering your plants, to scout for both insects and disease to stay ahead of any troubles.